Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 7 in our series on how to write an opinion essay. In this lesson, our objective is to be able to write the conclusion paragraph at the end of our essay. Let's get started. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to be able to review the structure and the micro elements of an opinion essay. Then, to be able to use the hamburger strategy to write a really good conclusion paragraph at the end of our essay today. And next is to be able to use effective sentence starters and some of those transitional phrases to make our essay awesome. And the final one is to be able to innovate ideas and write things in our own words. All right, let's get moving. Now, in this series, we have practiced writing an opinion essay about this claim that we don't need to travel because we can learn as much from books and the internet. Now, in the body section of our essay, we have argued against this with our 3 really strong reasons. The first one is that we can learn from cultural experiences. The next is we can learn when we meet people. And then the final reason was we can learn from our 5 senses when we travel. Now, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to wrap up the essay by writing our conclusion paragraph. Let's get going. All right, so in the body section of our opinion essay, we have used the peel strategy to structure those argumentative or opinion paragraphs correctly. Now, today, we are going to use the awesome hamburger strategy. So the hamburger strategy works like this. You can see it has the bun at the top. That's where we do the introductory sentence. We introduce the reader to the topic of the paragraph. Then, in our juicy burger, we have all the details about that idea. And in the final section, that final bit of bun to hold the burger together, that's our concluding sentence with that final idea to wrap it up. All right, let's learn more. Okay, before you start drafting your own conclusion paragraph, let's do a little think, pair, share. So we're going to give you an example conclusion paragraph for this opinion essay claim. Can you work with the person next to you if you're in class, or just brainstorm yourself? Can you spot any of those micro elements that we have discussed in this series? Can you spot any elements of the hamburger strategy? So spend a few minutes now, go. All right, so you can see with this awesome annotated conclusion paragraph, we have all these great elements. Maybe you were able to spot and identify them too. So the first one you can see in yellow is that introductory sentence. It introduces the reader to what this paragraph is about. In red, we have those sentence starters and transitional phrases to tell the reader what the next step is in our writing to help with cohesion and flow. And then you can see here in purple, we have reiterated and relisted the 3 reasons that we argued in the body section. In green, we've even got a call to action, telling people to go and travel for themselves. And the final sentence there is our concluding sentence, where we wrap up our essay and conclude. So now, over to you. See if you can draft your own conclusion paragraph for this opinion essay. Use these ideas to help you. Have fun. Get moving. All right, now it's time for some independent learning. I hope you've had success in writing an opinion essay. So now it's over to you to go and consolidate your learning by writing another opinion essay. Use the skills we've learned. Use the hamburger strategy, peel paragraphs to write an awesome opinion essay. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.